Welcome back to our channel, everyone. I'm your host, Dr. Christina Hammer with Vibrancy VIP Med Clinic. Today, we're going to shed light on a common and often uncomfortable topic, yeast infections. In this video, we'll discuss the causes, symptoms, and effective ways to prevent and treat yeast infections. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what yeast infections are. Yeast infections are caused by an overgrowth of a fungus called candida. It commonly affects the genital area, but can also occur in other parts of the body, such as the mouth, groin area, or anywhere that is dark, moist, warm, and allows a fungus to call and set up home. Now, let's explore the causes of yeast infections. Several factors can contribute to their development. The common causes include candida overgrowth, an imbalance in the natural balance of bacteria and yeast in the body. This can happen from foods, medications, hormones, or even a change in the body's natural pH. Antibiotics. They can disrupt the natural flora, allowing yeast to multiply. Hormonal changes, such as during pregnancy, menstruation, or menopause. A weakened immune system due to illnesses like diabetes, HIV/AIDS, or prolonged use of corticosteroids. Poor personal hygiene. Insufficient or excessive cleaning of the genital area. An example is when people use soaps that are made for our skin and not our genital area or flora. Tight-fitting clothing. It restricts airflow and increases moisture, creating an environment for yeast to thrive. Abnormal glucose levels, such as with people with prediabetes or diabetes. Fungus thrives on sugar or glucose, and in the elevated levels in these health conditions can contribute to the rise in yeast in the body and cause a feeding ground. Let's move on to the symptoms of yeast infections. Recognizing these signs can help you seek appropriate treatment. The common symptoms include, but are not limited to, itching and irritation in the affected area, such as the vagina, penis, or skin folds. Burning sensation or pain during urination or sexual intercourse. Abnormal vaginal discharge in women, often thick, white, and resembling cottage cheese. Redness and swelling in the affected area. Rash or patches of redness on the skin. Next, let's explore effective ways to prevent yeast infections. By following these steps, you can reduce the risk of experiencing recurring infections. Maintain good personal hygiene, especially in the genital area. Cleanse with a mild unscented soap and warm water. Avoid douching, as well as it disrupts the natural balance of bacteria and yeast. Wear breathable cotton underwear, as well as loose-fitting clothing to prevent airflow and reduce moisture. Change out wet bathing suits or sweaty clothes promptly after exercise or working out. Avoid using scented products such as soaps, bubble baths, douching, as well as feminine hygiene sprays. Limit the consumption of sugary foods and drinks as yeast thrives on sugar, as well as using products such as feminine wipes, lubricants, and washes to help maintain that normal pH and flora for our genital areas. Finally, let's discuss the treatment options for yeast infections. Mild cases can often be treated with over-the-counter antifungal creams, suppositories, or even oral medications. Follow the instructions provided with the medication very carefully. Maintain good hygiene and keep the affected area clean and dry, using apple cider vinegar baths or supplements to help maintain a normal pH. Probiotics or fermented foods to help maintain a normal flora in the body. If symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and prescription medication if necessary. If you experience recurring yeast infections or have severe symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They can determine if there are any underlying causes that need to be addressed and prescribe appropriate treatment. That wraps up our discussion on yeast infection and the causes, symptoms, prevention, and treatment options for it. We hope you found this video informative as well as helpful. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember to do what makes you happy and smile. Bye-bye.